We've been shooting here in the Dominican Republic for the past 10 days, battling constant dust storms here in the south near the Haitian border. No running water.
Golwa, Golwa, Siminandro. Golwa, Golwa, Siminandro. Golwa, Golwa, Siminandro. O Siminame, Bokwa. Golwa, Golwa, Siminandro.
When you take a portrait, I think people tend to interact with the portrait by looking at the person's eyes. So I decided to make an experiment and break this rule of portraiture and take portraits of people with their eyes closed. Positive paper. Why? I guess I was trying to have a finished image straight out of the camera. It's something that it's not a negative, it's not a transparent thing, it's a piece of paper. It's only 3 ASA. So I decided just to go with the scorching sunlight we got down here, and I've been torturing my subjects by putting them in front of this bare wall in full sunlight. After shooting these portraits on direct positive paper, I spent my nights here developing them using a mixture of coffee and vitamin C and washing soda and salt. It's a magic process which I do with 3 small trays. Those moments, very long moments, those hours when there's no electricity, so I don't really need to build a mobile darkroom. The entire town is a darkroom, and I just use a mag light with some red gel to see what I'm doing. And of course, everything is wrong. The temperature of the water is wrong. The water itself is dirty, and it's also a lot of fun. Aside from the direct positive paper I've also been using Fuji instant film. That gives me a more tactile, more tangible way than an LCD screen to show my subject what we've been doing together, the portrait. And also it enables me to give them a copy of their portrait straight away. And I stick with the negative, which dries up very quickly, of course, gets covered in dust, but also stays protected by this gelatin chemical which covers it. And later on I'm able to retrieve the negative. First, the bleach. To dissolve the plastic backing on the FP100C. Then a quick wash. This is the easiest part. This is the easiest part. We already have a lovely image. Now, the tough thing really is to get rid of the gel. Dust is everywhere. dirt is everywhere. It's nearly impossible to avoid contamination. But who knows, maybe contamination is part of the image in the end. Wash here. Yes. We got a negative. A very rough negative, but we got one.